Hello, this is Robert Coles back again with another exciting update. Today, I'm going to do something that I haven't did before. I'm going to bring you the audience on the inside of how we do our surplus deals and a grand total of 8 deals that we've got contracted and signed already in the first half of 2024. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go deal 1 through deal 8. And I'm going to break it down so that everybody listening to this podcast video, you can see that this is 100% facts that I'm going to lay out. I'm going to lay out deal 1, deal 2, deal 3, deal 4, deal 5, deal 6, deal 7, and deal 8. I'm going to lay out all 8 of our contracted signed surplus deals for 2024 so far. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to give you a brief overview. I'm going to break down what the scenario was, and I'm going to tell you what the challenges was, and I'm going to let you know that there is an easier way to do this. The main thing is you have to have a workflow, and the workflow is probably the most important thing that keeps you organized, and it keeps you on track, and it makes sure that you don't miss any phone calls. Within our back-end system, we're able to track audio calls. We can make audio calls. All of our incoming and outgoing calls are date and timestamp. We're able to send out the text messages, and we can receive incoming text messages from our potential clients. The third thing is we're able to send out the mailers, and it's probably one of the most important things. We're able to send the mailers out so that once we send the mailers out, 2 days later, we do a 2-day follow-up on a second mailer. And the third thing is probably the most important thing is that along with the audio phone calls, we can do video phone calls, and we can do conference calls on there. So we got a client. So one of my virtual assistants has a potential client on the phone. They can conference me in on that call, and I can go ahead and take over that call like we do a lot of the times. And we're able to close these individuals or schedule an appointment with them so that we could move in the right direction of getting them absolutely involved in the process so I can get in front of them. I don't like to close people on the phone. My main thing is because I work on the East Coast and I'm able to travel within a 4 to 5 hour drive from where all of my customers are at. So we're able to meet with them on a face-to-face basis and get them closed within a 24 to 48 hours. These are some of the most important tips and tricks that we're doing that's elevated our business for 2024, because there's nothing like getting a live, active customer on the phone who has a real surplus, and that you can speak with them in a matter, you speaking truth to facts. And we don't have those scam conversation calls because we're not trying to get them to sign contracts over the phone. I'm meeting face-to-face with individuals, and they can see the court documentation that I have when I come to them. I'm bringing court documentation, and I'm bringing my contract. So the bottom line is, stay tuned. I'm going to shed some back office, really trade secrets as far as how we do what we do for all of our deals so far. At this moment, we've been paid out 6-figure income for surplus recovery. Today is July 9th, and we're excited to bring this news to you. We're going to break down the complexities. We're going to make it simple and show everybody how you make money in this surplus business in 2024. Stay tuned.